Hey, my name is Ronald with Service Master by Capital Construction. We were called out here today by State Farm agent Kathy Thurman Edwards, and the customer's name is Jane Nichols. There hasn't been a claim filed yet, but I wanted to go over the job with you and show you what happened. This here is the source of the water. The plug was up, the water was turned on, left on, and overflowed for quite some time. You see we have squishy water up there that's underneath the cabinet. This is a laminate flooring with a thin padding underneath of it. We have readings throughout the area. The closet was affected. The bathroom tile. The water came in here and sat. You can hear that. The water also went into the closet. %. The water went through the wall into the living room. The cabinet is wet. Cabinet. The entire bedroom. Okay. It also went into the hallway here. Okay. I'm not sure about this bedroom here. At this time, I'm not getting any readings. I'll know more about this room when I take out this hallway, and we'll see where the water line is underneath the mat, underneath the padding. Okay. Down the hallway is affected. Closet. This is the living room I was telling you about on the other side of the bathroom. I'll check here for readings. So, the living room here is affected. And then we go into the kitchen where we have standing water that came through the wall. And this is vinyl. It looks like ceramic, but it is vinyl. And you can see that this is already wet underneath. Wetness on the concrete. Okay, so if you take a video of all this here, notice all the contents, and it goes back into the kitchen area as well. Okay. Storing Peace of Mind Water Recovery Guide. And on the inside of this is important contact information. It's our company. It's my personal telephone number 24 hours a day. Here's my email address, and here's Kathy's number. This here describes the water emergency services, which we talked about earlier. This is, I only check the items that need to be done to your property. Protect your contents. We're going to take the floor out and put padding underneath to protect your wood. Over here, you have a laminate floor, and there's so much water underneath that we're going to remove that floor. Your subfloor is a slab. Once the floor is removed, then the padding will have to dry out your slab. Okay. Remove some baseboards because the walls are wet. Drill some holes in the sheetrock to dry out the wall cavity. A lot of checks on this one.
Yeah.
Evaluate your insulation if there is some in the wall. Inspect your cabinets. Excuse me. In your bathroom, the source room, the cabinet was wet. That's the inspection. The applied antimicrobials. This is to protect any germs or fungus to grow with the wet structure. We'll apply that. Place and install high velocity air movers. We'll also set up some dehumidifiers. And this explains our future visit. And I'm thinking maybe tomorrow afternoon at your convenience I can come back by and do my readings. And once everything's dry, we'll pull all the equipment out and then we can start putting back. But we discussed that maybe we could do all the drying first.
Right.
And then after the holidays and you're back from your trip, then we can start doing
the repair work.
Yes.
Right.
Okay.
Yes.
And understanding the drying process, this tells you all about how things dry, your floor, your carpet, your pad, your subfloor. And I'm going to leave this with you. These are our dehumidifiers that will be in your home, and these are our air movers.
Okay.
Okay. A little noisy. Just let them run continuously.
Okay.
And more about understanding the drying process, reinstallation and cleaning, structural repairs, and frequently asked questions.
Okay.
So this is for you.
Okay.
And you could review that at your convenience.
Okay.
And my telephone information's on there and everything.
Yeah. Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
All right, great.
I'm calmer now.
Great, you're calmer now.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
Thank you.